my name is Julia Salinger. I'm a PhD student at the University of Colorado Boulder, and I will be giving a brief overview today of an article that myself and my colleagues Mark Whisman, Ashley Randall, and Peter Hilpert recently published in Family Process, titled Associations Between Marital Discord and Depressive Symptoms, a Cross-Cultural Analysis. For a little bit of background on this project, prior work has documented a significant and positive association between marital discord and depressive symptoms, and most of the research to date has taken place in the US, utilizing samples of American adults. So one of the driving forces behind this study was to investigate whether a significant association would also be observed in a differing cultural context, specifically in a sample of European nations. We were also interested in whether the strength of the actor and partner associations might differ by gender. Researchers have previously theorized that women's mental health may be more impacted by marital discord than men's mental health, due in part to gendered socialization processes. And finally, we were interested in examining cultural variability in the strength of the actor effect. Specifically, within Europe, countries have been found to differ in the extent of familialism, or the degree to which the well-being of the family is prioritized ahead of the well-being of the individual, such that Southern European countries are thought to be higher in familialism than Northern European countries. And we hypothesized that within Southern European countries, the association between marital discord and depressive symptoms might be stronger than in Northern European countries, given the higher degree of familialism, the extent to which the well-being of the family is imperative. To examine these three hypotheses, we utilized a series of actor-partner interdependence models, or APIMs. And we applied these APIMs to existing data that was drawn from the Survey of Health, Aging, and Retirement in Europe, or SHARE. This was a sample of nearly 5,000 European couples from 11 different countries, which we grouped into Northern, Central, and Southern European groupings. Our findings indicated that regarding hypothesis 1, that there would be a significant association between marital discord and depressive symptoms. This was supported. One spouse's self-report of marital discord was positively and significantly associated with both their own report of depressive symptoms and their partner's report of depressive symptoms. Hypothesis 2 had been that the magnitude of the actor associations may be stronger for women than for men, and we did not find support for this hypothesis. The associations between marital discord and depressive symptoms appeared to be similarly strong for both men and women. Regarding hypothesis 3, that the magnitude of the effect may depend on culture, we found partial support. So specifically for women, living in Southern Europe was associated with a stronger link between marital discord and depressive symptoms than residing in the North. And for men, there was no significant variability in the strength of this association across regions in Europe. I think that our findings have several potentially helpful implications for the field of family therapy or family science. One of the implications is that this is the first study to our knowledge to document that for women embedded in a more familialistic culture, marital discord was more strongly associated with depressive symptoms. And although our study is limited in that we could not directly measure familialism, I do think that this finding underscores the importance of considering cultural context in research design. Specifically, it's possible that cultural context may influence the meaning that's ascribed to our relational experiences, which in turn could alter their impact. I also think that given this study's findings that depressive symptoms are a reliable correlate of marital discord, in clinical settings, it would be of benefit to assess for both. In other words, where one is present, it would be of benefit to assess for the other. And finally, I think that the present findings point to the potential promise of marital interventions to forestall depressive symptoms within the European population, although it is of course important to keep in mind that this study is cross-sectional in nature and longitudinal work is needed to establish if change in marital discord is predictive of changes in depressive symptoms before strong conclusions can be drawn. Thank you very much for listening to this video abstract. If you'd like to get in touch about the present study, you can contact me as the corresponding author at julia.salinger@colorado.edu. Thanks again.